Most people think $100 isn't enough to make a difference. It feels small. It feels like it won't make a difference. So they either spend it or they ignore it. But here's the truth. $100 is more than enough to start building momentum. And momentum is what actually creates wealth. Because turning $100 into more money isn't about one big move. It's about building a system, a repeatable process that grows over time. And once that system is in place, everything changes. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn $100 into more money, step by step. Simple strategies, no complicated systems, and something you can actually start today. Quick note, if you want my exact stock picks, I give away 3 high-quality picks every month for free. Link in the description. Let's get into it. First, you need to understand something critical. You are not trying to turn $100 into millions overnight. That mindset is what causes people to lose money. They look for big wins, fast returns, huge gains, and they end up taking risks they don't understand. Instead, your goal is simple. Turn $100 into $150, then $150 into $300, then $300 into $500, then $500 into $1,000. You're building momentum. It is a snowball effect. And once momentum starts, it becomes much easier to grow your money. Step 1. Protect your starting capital. Before you grow your money, you need to protect it. Because if you lose your first $100, you lose your opportunity to build momentum. And this is where most people fail. They rush. They jump into something risky. They try to double their money quickly, and they lose it. So your first rule is simple. Don't lose your starting capital. Avoid anything that feels like a gamble. Avoid anything you don't fully understand. And focus on controlled growth. Step 2. Choose your path. There are 3 main ways to turn $100 into more money. And your choice depends on your situation, your time, your skills, and your goals. Path 1. Investing. This is the slowest path, but also the most stable. You can invest your $100 into stocks, index funds, dividend-paying assets. Now, this won't turn into a large amount quickly, but it builds the habit, and it creates long-term growth. For example, if you consistently invest small amounts over time, that $100 becomes part of a much bigger system. And over the long term, this is one of the most reliable ways to build wealth. Path 2. Active income. This is where you can grow your money faster. Instead of investing the $100, you use it to generate income. For example, buy a simple tool, pay for a platform, create something small and sell it, offer a basic service, flip products. This requires effort, but it gives you control, and it allows you to scale faster in the beginning. Path 3. Leverage. This is where you use the $100 to build something that can grow over time. For example, start a YouTube channel, build a simple website, create digital content, launch a small product. This doesn't generate instant money, but it creates long-term potential. And over time, it can become extremely powerful. Step 3. Start immediately. This is where most people get stuck. They overthink. They research endlessly. They wait for the perfect plan. But none of that matters, because the best strategy only works if you actually start. So keep it simple. Pick one path, take action, and improve as you go. Step 4. Focus on small wins. Most people fail because they aim too high too fast. They want big results immediately. But growth happens in small steps. Your first goal is not to make a lot of money. Your first goal is to make your first profit. Even if it's $10, even if it's $20. Because once you prove that you can make money, everything changes. Step 5. Reinvest everything. This is where momentum is created. Let's say you turn $100 into $150. Most people take that extra $50 and spend it. That stops growth. Instead, reinvest it. Now you're working with $150, then $200, then $300. This is how small amounts turn into larger ones, through repetition and discipline. Step 6. Avoid shortcuts. This is where most people lose money. They see day trading, crypto hype, get-rich-quick systems, and they jump in. But high reward always comes with high risk. And beginners usually don't understand that risk. So they lose everything. Stick to simple strategies. Focus on consistency. And avoid anything that promises fast results. Step 7. Build a repeatable system. Once something works, even a little, you repeat it. If flipping products works, do it again. If a service works, offer it more. If content starts growing, build on it. You don't need multiple ideas. You need one idea that works. Then you repeat it. And that's how you scale. Step 8. Increase your skill level. Your income is directly tied to your skills. The more valuable your skills, the more money you can make. So while you're building income, also focus on improving sales, content creation, marketing, communication. These skills multiply your results. Step 9. Stack your income. Once you've built one stream, you add another, but not randomly. Your second stream should connect to your first. For example, if you create content, you add affiliate income. This is selling other people's products and earning a commission. Then digital products. Once you create these items, they can sell over and over again. Then email marketing. Each layer builds on the last. And that's how income grows faster. Step 10. Think long-term. Turning $100 into more money is not about one move. It's about building a system that grows over time. The people who succeed don't rely on luck. They rely on consistency and time. Now let's simplify everything. If I had $100 today, this is exactly what I would do. Protect it. Choose one path. Start immediately. Focus on small wins. Reinvest everything. Avoid shortcuts. Repeat what works. Build skills. Read books. Watch informative videos. Learn from those who are already successful. Stack income. And stay consistent. That's it. It's simple, but it works. And once you build momentum, everything changes. If you want to get started with investing, I'm giving away my 3 free stock picks: 1 overall stock, 1 value stock, and 1 high upside pick. You can grab them through the link. They're selected using a strict system, and they're a great starting point if you want to begin. Thank you for watching. If you want simple, step-by-step strategies like this that actually work, subscribe to the channel. I'll show you exactly how to turn small amounts of money into something much bigger.